Welcome to this tutorial where I walk you through some key adjustments for the car frame. Let's dive right in! First, let's change the pulley beam settings for the car frame. Start by selecting one of the pulleys in the drawing area. Then, navigate to the parent object, pulley beam, via the breadcrumb docking window. To modify the arrangement, change the pulley beam angle to, say, 180 degrees. Adjust the position via the properties of the car frame by entering a value for pulley beam 1 dy, for example 300 mm. You can also tweak the pulley distance. Activate the pulley beam, then go to the Pulleys on Beam group in the properties. Here you could input values like -475 mm and +475 mm. Adjust these values as needed for your specific project. Once you've set the pulley beam, it's time to adjust the machine position to match. Activate the gear and set the gear alignment to automatically in the properties. Next up, we'll work on an L-shaped car frame. For this, we need to start a new elevator project. Pause the video until you're ready. To get an L-shaped car frame, you can either check Lateral Guided Car Frame only in the Shaft Wizard during step 4, or you can follow this tutorial's method. First, we'll replace the Central Guided Car Frame with a Lateral Guided one. Open the Component Navigator by double-clicking on the car frame or via the properties and select Rope L-shaped Car Frame 2:1 Guides Outside. We recommend changing the car frame position to meet the new requirements. A background recalculation will take place. To do this, activate the car frame and go to the DBG group in the properties. Here you can switch the car frame position from left to right and back. Notice how components that were on the right wall from the Central Guided Car Frame disappear. Now let's modify the rail brackets. You can swap them using the Properties window or by double-clicking on one. For this example, let's select the rail bracket for concrete fixing. Next, I show you how to set the distances between the guides. Activate the car frame and go to the DBG group in the properties. Enter your required value in the distance between guides and hit Enter. Finally, let's customize the entrance settings. Open the Group and Shaft configurator and navigate to the floor levels. You'll notice 3 columns instead of 2 if you had a Central Guided Car Frame. Here you can select where to place front, rear and right entrances. Pretty cool, right? Thanks for watching!